duck, 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 goose, swan, goose, duck. There's so many. I love the swan. It comes around every year. Usually there's two, but I don't know what happened to the other one. But yeah, it's a staple of Dorney Park here. That and the geese is spike goose.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of down there.
I always like this time of year because they always have the little babies out. Oh, there's a white duck. Look at that little white duck. That's a cute duck. But you want to watch yourself when you're feeding them. This guy here, he bites. And he likes french fries. He actually comes out of the water and eats people's french fries. So it's a little bit of Dorney Park history. One of our mascots. Beep, beep. She's going to get her finger bit. Come on, bite the finger. Bite the finger. Bite the finger. Ah, she got smart.
You want something? Hurry up. Come on, put some hurry up.
I have to get a video of the little geese babies. Let's go find the geese babies.